Welcome to another www.taxfriendonline.com tutorial. Today we're going to go over the Schedule A. Now the Schedule A deals with itemized deductions. Now this is the Schedule A form which lists all the itemized deductions you can take. Remember, there are two types of deductions. There's the standard deduction and the itemized deduction. The Schedule A here is to report your itemized deduction. Now, which one do you go with, the standard deduction or the itemized deduction? And the answer is you want to go with the deduction that gives you the larger dollar amount. Now, as you'll notice, the Schedule A is divided into different sections here. Each section has a category of things you can itemize. We'll take a closer look at these right now. So the first section is medical and dental expenses. You can itemize all your medical and all your dental expenses. Now there are certain limits to what you can itemize, which we'll go over later. Second section is taxes you pay. For example, you can itemize state and local income taxes or general sales taxes. You can also itemize real estate taxes and personal property taxes. Third section is interest you pay. Now the interest is going to deal with the mortgage interest and points. Fourth section, gifts to charity. Fifth section, any losses through casualty or theft. Sixth section, job expenses and certain miscellaneous deductions. And lastly, other miscellaneous deductions. So all the deductions that are added up goes in this section right here, box 29, the total itemized deduction. So once you have the total itemized deduction, you want to then report that on the 1040. So let's go to the 1040 and I'll show you where you can enter the itemized deductions. So on the 1040, you want to go to the second page and up here, box number 40. Box number 40 right here says itemized deduction from Schedule A or your standard deduction. So you want to put the total itemized deduction right here. Now remember, if the standard deduction is larger than the itemized deduction, you're better off taking the standard deduction. So you enter that dollar amount right here in box 40.